close up. It's not terribly. You can even see the clavicle.
Yeah. I think this is good.
Yeah, I think this is a good, definitely good height. Okay, then drape. Now fold it so that you can see, yeah, good. And then point that tape towards you so that you can see the tape.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Oh, that's good. Sorry.
Okay. Tractor's in my shot.
Good. Up slightly. That's okay. It's okay that the probe's there because you'll ask a friend. And then I just... Good. That's good, actually.
Okay. So we can maybe adjust. Yeah, that's okay. Does that have to? This is like is all bunched up. Is that okay?
Pull it
This
out
looks
a
a
little.
little bit weird.
Pull it out because this is going to be sterile anyway,
Yeah.
right?
Pull it out.
Yeah, pull it out. Yeah, laterally. Yeah. Good.
There you go.
Okay, now look back at the finished product just so that they can, yeah, good. Okay,
Beautiful.
beautiful. Okay,
Okay. So
now
move
probe
on.
cover. So bring this closer. Good. So this part, we do it really slow just because
Mm-hmm.
the bag part is kind of tricky.
Do not discard.
So
Ooh, did I mess this up? Guessing.
yeah, that's fine. I mean, either way.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
There
Yep.
you go. Yeah. Look up a little, Ross, so you can see the probe and how she's handing it. Yeah, good.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay. Next is, I guess, anesthetize.
When we're gonna put the kit together, we're gonna do the caps and everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Where are the caps right now?
They're right
yeah.
here.
Because you're gonna need to put them on to do
Mhm.
this procedure, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe just do it now,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
Like sterilely,
this-
someone dropping it in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna bring it closer here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
You need to get real close for this though.
Mm-hmm.
There. Yeah. Good.
Okay.
Okay.
So now I'm going to sterilely drop the caps in.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Get close, get close. Sorry.
Oh, it's locked.
Yeah, good. Okay, good. And then just point out that the brown one's gonna stay open. Just like lift it up and show them. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Check your wire.
Do the wire thing first?
Just do the little checky check.
Okay.
Good.
This view is good.
Yeah, the view is actually really good.
Okay.
The lighting is good, no shadow.